Welcome to our channel. Watching blockbuster movies on Fire Stick legally means using official rental, purchase, or subscription services. Follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Check if new releases are available on streaming services you already subscribe to. Netflix, Disney+, and HBO Max frequently add recent blockbusters. Step 2. Use Amazon Prime Video's rental and purchase options for movies not included with subscriptions. Rentals typically cost $4 to $6 for 48-hour access. Step 3. Try Apple TV for movie rentals and purchases. The service often has new releases shortly after theatrical runs end. Step 4. Subscribe to HBO Max, which gets Warner Bros. Theatrical releases shortly after or even simultaneous with theater release dates. Step 5. Check Vudu for a mix of free movies with ads and paid rentals or purchases of new releases. Step 6. Use Disney Plus for Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar, and other Disney theatrical releases, which typically arrive 45 to 90 days after theater. Step 7. Try Peacock Premium or Paramount Plus, which include Universal and Paramount theatrical releases respectively. Step 8. Be patient for better value. Blockbusters move from premium rentals to subscription services within months. Apps promising free access to theater releases are piracy and provide poor quality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.